Hey guys, it's Shanice. I'm currently in JFK en route to Jamaica. I'm so excited. This flight, well, this trip is actually with the travel group, so you guys are going to be seeing me with a bunch of people, but nonetheless, we're going to have fun. This has been my first trip since St. Thomas and my first trip internationally since 2019, so I'm really excited, but right now I'm just looking for my gate. I'm currently on the shuttle bus heading to my gate right now. My gate seems to be really far. I've never had to take the shuttle bus to a gate in JFK, but there's a first for everything.
Yeah, let's do this. Palm bed, palm floor against wall. We sex them all till them call me. And the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Palm bed, palm floor against wall. We sex them all till them call me. And the girls them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Hello, meet body girl. Here in the mirror. Give me no icky girl. Don't you dare. Get the stiffy. Remove your underwear and make me ram it. Jam it without. Y'all forget sex down. Who that ask me why? Y'all me ask me question a funky guy. So how you act so shy? Me no beg kitty but me da like a blind. Why? Just raise your foot up high. Cause I believe you can fly straight to the sky. Between me between your thighs. Me no Batman, I'm fucking a Robin guy. If you and I ever not to die, not shy. When me stab it then you reply. Bite your lips and close your eyes. Palm bed, palm floor against wall. We sex them all till them call me. And the girls them sugar, that's all.
I met a food partner.
We're finally in Jamaica after 2.8 hours to get through touchdown.
All of our flights delayed, so now we have to wait for the shuttle
I was up
buses.
since 3
I slept 1 hour.
I slept on the plane though.
I didn't even sleep on the plane.
I literally got on the plane, knocked out.
Hey girl,
Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica.
why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
Today, Ricky, I am the man on the ground. If you need anything, talk to me. If you want anything, talk to me. If you don't feel good, talk to me. Alright, so we just have a bit of advice and go. You get one rest stop up at outer minutes. You can stop, stretch your leg, get a drink, get a smoke, or whatever you need. So we just all chill and go, just build back. And my name is Ricky again. Alright, next.
Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Tell them you got the glue, you got the glue, you got the glue. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Who you are with? I don't hear. Anytime you're ready, dance. I don't hear. The face get big like in the rain. I make you feel high like on a fear. She said I saw the love, the act, face wine sweet and I don't this one.
Hey guys, so it's been a long day of traveling. Like I literally was in the airport probably like 6 o'clock and I'm now like getting to the airport, getting to the hotel and checking in. So I'm waiting for my other 2 roommates that I'm staying with for this trip. But I can't figure out the lights, but I still want to give you guys like a mini tour before they get here, before we mess up the room a little bit. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to go back to the front desk to figure out the lights because I don't know what's going on. But let me give you guys a tour. So I can't really show you the bathroom because the lights are not on, but this is when you walk in the room. We're staying at Riu Ocho Rios. So this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. It's supposed to be king beds, but they put 2 double beds together. I don't know. Then this is I don't even know what this is. Where's the rest of the pillows? This is me. This is what I wore to the airport. And then this is the bathroom, but I can't figure out the lights. So when I do, I'll, show another video. And then the view though, the view is incredible. When you come in, there's these, I figured out the lights, guys. So here is the bedroom with the lights on. Here is the little guest room. Here's how it looks from the opposite side. Then we have these little stairs. And then here is the view. How do I get this open? Ooh. This is so nice. Ooh.
She next time with a knife and some boy. I fuck some ways to the road. Half of them are chicks to the road. How the fuck you a fuck some too? Then I walk go to the tina crew. Hey, no girl me fuck yes and a java. Me make me girl be that banana. Baby means she's slow and quality. After 9 o'clock she can't stand it.
They also give complimentary dispensaries, so you know, want some alcohol, even though I don't know what these types are, but they also have coffee maker, cups, ice bucket, yeah, nothing too major, water bottle as well. And then the travel group actually gave us, well, this is mine, a complimentary gift bag with a couple of stuff. So we can open it now too, just to see what's in it. I want to go shower, so we're gonna do this quickly. But this is a complimentary bag. Since I'm on a travel group with the Winners Only Weekend, I'm gonna plug them and put them in the description box in case you guys want to travel in the future. They've been super organized so far, but this is only the beginning, so I'll give y'all an update towards the end. But they gave us this little towel. Oh, it's so cute. This little towel that says Winners Only Jamaica 2022. Then they gave us some sunscreen and then emergency, which is great because this is an all-inclusive hotel, so I already know how it's gonna go down with the drinks. They gave us, you know, the Mardi Gras beads as well. Gatorade powder for energy, and there's a couple sanitary stuff. What is this? Aspirin, ooh, antacid, gum. Oh, they have us prepared. Gatorade, aspirin. All they needed was some sunglasses because they got the Advil. But this is a cute welcome package, and now I'm gonna go get ready for the rest of the day. It's really been a long day of travel, so I just need to go take a shower and change and get cute. See you guys in a bit. So this is the second outfit of the day. My top is from Shein, my shorts is also from Shein, and these shoes I got about 2 or 3 years ago, so I don't exactly remember where they're from, but this is the club look for today.
The pretty girls are outside.
Period.
Gorgeous girls are outside. We in Jamaica with her.
Hey guys, it is day 2 of the trip. It is early in the morning and we're about to get breakfast. Here is the view from the hotel. Last night was just, I didn't really record as much, but we ended up going to like a club, and it's 80 of us, so technically we just had the whole club to ourselves. I think they rented it out, but yeah, we had the whole club to ourselves, and it was just fun vibes. And then we came back at like 2 something, a little after 2, and me and my friends ended up sitting on the beach, and then going to bed after that. So it was really a pretty chill night. But now, like I said, we're about to go get breakfast, and then we have a full day packed. Hopefully I'm able to get all of the recording done. It is hard because you want to live in the moment, but you also want to be able to film certain stuff that you will remember. But see you guys in a bit. Guys, look at this beautiful view.
Shanice and I are at breakfast. Day 2 with the winners. Period. Let's see how this goes. Please finish eating. Got a little drink. Cheers. Oh wait, we didn't see your food.
So it's like pancakes, hash browns. I want fruits, but this is like buffet style, so they're out of it right now until they refill, sadly.
Y'all want to see some authentic Jamaican food? Air quotes, because it's the hotel. Can you see that? Hopefully y'all saw that. So ackee and saltfish, plantain, cabbage, and dumpling. Subscribe to Shanice's channel.
We're actually on our way to a soak off event, and we had to wear all white. So I have on all white one piece, and I have this tan beige bag with some slippers. Don't mind the bed. But this bathing suit is actually from Shein. The cover up I've been had for a while, and the bag is from Shein, and so is the little bandana as well. These slippers are from Shein, but they're actually old, so they're probably not up there. So we're taking shots. Cheers. Giving looks. Follow me on Instagram so you can see the pictures she took of me. They so fire. Facts. Follow her. And I'm about to go get lit. So later, guys.
Meet all of you, and thank you for coming to Jamaica, and hopefully see you on the future trip. But yeah, have a good time. If you need anything, come up to us. We're here to have a great time. Drink.
I'm glad you guys decided to, turn over with us, come to Jamaica with us. I need everybody in position. Bro. Look, make sure y'all upward.
finish with y'all.
Pretty girls
With the
are
winner team and the
outside.
repeat that
The
support the
gorgeous,
baby now,
gorgeous
know what I
girls
mean?
are outside.
We're gonna get active.
Y'all, we just came back from like a powder puff, well, kind of like a Juve event, and this is how we look. I kind of just took some of the powder on my hair, but I left with white, and I came back colored. Oh, I'm just trying to get the powder on my hair, but I'm probably gonna have to like wash it. Oh, it was fun though. I honestly thought we were gonna have the whole like place though. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't think there was gonna be like locals.
They said they were supposed to get a section that was closed off. But y'all, it's like 3 in the morning.
I wanna go back downstairs though.
Okay. We talking to y'all like it's just
Back.
down at 2. It's 3 o'clock in the morning right now.
We left like 2. It's so.
Yeah.
But we fell asleep before the event. Like we almost missed the event. So
Sorry.
we good. We went to sleep. Well, she went to sleep like 6. I took a shower. Went to sleep like 7 because I didn't want to wake her up because it wasn't the time to wake her up yet.
Yeah.
And then fell asleep. Woke up like 10:30, like 5 to 10 minutes before the bus was supposed to leave. She was like, "I'm not coming. I'm not
Literally,
coming."
I got out the shower, y'all, and I was like, I'm not going.
And then, because we didn't eat dinner, we missed dinner. And then we went to the I went to the sports bar and it was food. So I'm like, come downstairs, there's food.
I only went to the event because Shanice, y'all.
And we went, then we went.
We had a good time.
Yeah. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Today wasn't too much. We just did like the pool party, which you guys saw the clips of already. And then we came back and then we went to this powder thing. But I've really just been living in the moment. So I'm sorry if there's not more clips, but I will catch you guys tomorrow for day 3. Later. Y'all, so I didn't get to show you guys before I left what I was wearing, but I had on a 2-piece white set, which was from Shein. It was as white as this, but we went to a powder event, so a Juve kind of event. So this is how it looks now. And then I had on a winter shirt from the travel group, but other than that, nothing too crazy. This is day 3, guys. So we have some free time. We're going to the pool. So this is my bathing suit for today. And this outfit is actually from Shein as well, as a lot of my clothes are. And then I have back on the same flat slippers from yesterday. But here it is. It's day 3. Okay, we are heading to the pool. We already had breakfast. Yes. First of all, last night we went to bed at 6 in the morning.
Shanice went to bed at 6 in the morning.
I went
to bed
to
at 5.
see the sunrise, so that's why. But yeah, so we got up.
Yeah.
Okay, so we saw the sunrise, and then I saw the sunrise, and then we went to bed at 6. I don't know how. I don't know. My body woke up at 8:59. So now we actually had breakfast and we're actually headed to the infinity pool. This hotel is actually really nice because they have a lot of things to do. It's exciting. Yeah.
I just want to have some fun, but this girl is done down. She up with business out on the road.
Passa, come sing for them, baby.
Sir, give me the other white beat.
There's something in this liquor. The air is getting thicker. I just said she's in the fix and try. So I just think anything I want. If you fall in love, girl, it's starting.
Can you picture me up? This life is so much better when we live it slow.
Day four, guys.
Day 4.
I don't think I ended the video saying how last night went, but we went to 8 Rivers.
Yes.
That was just a whole lot interesting.
Yeah.
So we won't really talk about that part. It was kind of fun, I guess. But now it's day 4. Today we are going to Blue Hole, and then I don't know if we're still going rafting, but after that, then we have like a river party river party. So we'll check back in. But look at the beautiful views. This is day 4's outfit. I have a green bathing suit under this, but this is a 2-piece from Shein, and I have on my orange slippers from yesterday. And we are going to the Blue Hole today, so this is the look.
Girl, them skill arty. Turn the ball. Some give it up, some give it up, some give it up to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Turn the ball, say, welcome on the way the time. Hold up, wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature, feel shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
Joya and I are rafting today. The ultimate Jamaican excursion. So, as you can see. So say hi.
Hi, my name is Garfield.
Hey,
Welcome to Rafting on the White River. Give me a word for Jamaica.
Wow.
I'm so excited.
I don't know why people don't want to do this.
No, this is my first time.
First time.
No Jamaican artist, no Jamaican song.
Oh,
yes,
Dexter
the
Dabs,
Dabs,
of
Shansia.
course, right.
Shansia. Who
Of
else?
course, Bob Marley.
Okay.
Where's Bears Hamming from here?
Vibes
Yeah.
Cartel.
Vibes Cartel.
Spice.
What you call it? Alkaline. Yeah,
You know
Spice.
Alkaline?
Yeah.
Yeah, what song you know for Alkaline?
Move Mountains.
Yeah.
We know. We listen. That's what we listen to in New York. You know. We listen to Caribbean music. We don't
Conquer the
listen to.
world now.
Feel me, squeeze me. We can move mountains when we are fucking. Yeah.
Should I have a little speaker?
Something about my side, girl. You let me start, get me white, girl. Hello.
Hello.
Who does that?
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, y'all are so lit.
Oh, this is so
The baby, call me, yeah.
If the man not fuck you good, better you fuck somebody else.
Hey,
Somebody else. Yes.
the boy, there.
When you say your pussy too good, better you fuck
Somebody else.
Well, yes, she want a real bad money, real bad. She want a real gang girl,
Call me babe. Yes, you know the tune.
Cock it up.
Back it up, y'all. Cock it up, y'all. Fling it. Period. That's what we be listening to. We don't listen to like, well, down south they listen to like more hip hop and rap, but in New York we listen to Caribbean music.
And honestly, a little bit everything.
Yeah. Soca,
Afrobeat.
I think you want help. I'm in a slash eye and I'm going to go ski a car, you know. I've got the two best girls in the world.
Thank you.
Can you sit a little more?
Huh?
Can you go closer to your friend?
Sure.
Yep. And give me one of those phones.
oh sure, thank you.
And I'll take some snaps. Can you help everybody?
We got some coconut.
Are you? Now call out your name and they charge you.
Look at our legs, guys. Good massage. Hey.
Feeling so big, can't even fit.
What you talking about?
You ain't talking about my niggas, then
What you talking about?
I don't say a word. I don't say a word. So I'm grinding now, I got what I deserve. Wait a minute.
Guys, it's been a long 4 days, but now we're heading back to New York. Joy, we're leaving. We're out.
Well, technically, we're done.
Yeah, it's kind of sad, but back to New York, back to responsibilities. So
That's the ghetto.
I didn't get to record as much yesterday, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast fruit and banana.
Can you picture me up? This life is so much better when you live it slow.
I want to